Hi everyone, welcome to Topic 5. For this week we're going to be covering chapters 9 and 10. I wanted to let you know that I have the chapter 9 and 10 PowerPoints right here. I also have the teaching summary for chapters 9 and 10, which will provide you very good insight into what we're looking at this week. I have some various videos on externalities and the role of our economy and the role of governments when we look at externalities. Here's quiz number 3 right here. Quiz number 3, you'll have 2 attempts, and I'll take the highest of the 2 attempts on quiz number 3. So let's go over some of the topics with externalities. When we look at externalities, externalities are a cost or benefit to a third party. When we focus on externalities, we're looking at the role of the government and why externalities are present in the market. There are 2 types of externalities. There's a negative externality and there's a positive externality. A negative externality is a cost to a third party, whereas a positive externality is a benefit to a third party. Examples of negative externalities are exhaust from an automobile, pollution, barking dogs. Positive externality is when you clean up a neighborhood, new technologies, education. When we look at an externality, you'll notice that we're in equilibrium right here. This is where the government thinks the market solution shall be. And the government doesn't have to get involved if there's no externalities that are present. The government has to get involved when an externality is present to provide market solutions. So when we look at negative externalities, you'll notice that the cost of production will be much greater than what society wants. So the government's going to have to provide solutions to bring about market outcomes. However, when we look at these solutions, the best types of solutions will be taxes. Taxes will help to slow down the production that's available in the market. And here's an example of a graph. Here's where optimal production should be. Here's where we're at right here in the market. And you notice, given that we're producing too much, given the quantity that's available, we need to do something to decrease this amount, and that's the key. Decreasing consumption will help bring about solutions. And the problem that's present with externalities is the government has to get involved in externalities. And that brings about market failure, and that's the key thing that we want to focus on within this. And most of the questions that you're going to have are going to be dealing with externalities and the cost and benefits. So make sure to focus your efforts on externalities. And let me know if you have any questions, but I look forward to your effort this week.